This high-protein, creamy pumpkin cheesecake is a healthy pumpkin twist on a New York-style cheesecake. We start with the softened Neufchatel or cream cheese. We add the eggs by mixing them in one at a time. We mix in the Greek yogurt, the pumpkin, our vanilla extract, the whey protein, spices, and sweetener. I'm mixing by hand here to avoid adding extra air bubbles, but you can also use a stand mixer on low speed. Once the mixture is smooth, it's ready to go into the prepared springform pan. We tap the pan on the counter to get rid of any extra air bubbles, and then we're going to put it in the oven in a water bath. So I'm putting about 1 inch of water in the larger pan surrounding the cheesecake. We start the cheesecake at 325 to give it some heat, and then we bake it low and slow for about 65 more minutes. Once it has cooled to room temperature, we'll refrigerate it for several hours. Then we'll dress it up with some sugar-free whipped cream, cover up any cracks, and serve.